Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add YouTube gallery for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company and they make really good widgets. And one of the widgets is YouTube gallery. Click here on sign up for free. And when you will have it, just sign with a Google, Facebook or just normal email. And when you will have it, then just click login. Right here, you will be in applications and you want to write here YouTube. And now you can see here YouTube gallery. Let's create a widget. Right here, you have option between YouTube channel, video grid, video gallery, playlist. Just choose which one you like. Let's go with the YouTube channel. Let's continue with the template. Now just add your YouTube URL here. Then you get like layout, colors and advanced. You can really change the colors and everything, but I really like this how it is. Let's click save. When you're gonna click save, you're gonna need to choose a plan. You can start with a light version that's like 200 views per month, or you can go like with the basic or pro version. It's really up to you. And when we have it, let's copy the code here. Let's go to widgets. Let's click HTML. Let's paste the code and just, oh, we don't want to have a code here. It's like bad row. Give me a second. Let's add it here. Yep, that's much better. Like that. Update it and let's wait until it loads. And as you can see, perfect. We got amazing YouTube gallery on our site in Duda. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. But I also recommend checking out all the applications here, which can be good. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.